Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Queen Academy. I'm Juliet, also known as Crypto Queen. So today I'm going to walk us through on how to trade futures without liquidation price. But before I proceed, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and like this video if at the end value was added. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get update for my subsequent tutorial video. Moving on. Trading without liquidation price cut across being able to manage your risk very well, knowing how much of your wallet balance you should expose in trade. However, only cross traders have the advantage of trading without liquidation price because they are giving the markets the access to extend to their wallet balance to save their trade should their entire margin get into loss. But isolated traders, they are isolating their margin from the entire wallet balance. So if their entire margin get into loss, they are liquidated. So you might also need to reference my previous video to know what I mean by isolated or cross margin. Now moving on. I'm going to open a trade to show us how I'm able to manage this trade and without having liquidation price. I'm able to take position of this trade without having liquidation price on it. So let's pick a trade. Okay, I'm a fan of top coins. I'm going to trade BNB for the purpose of this class. So I'm going to open BNB at the moment. So I'm going to buy BNB. Now, if you are trading, if you want to apply safety measure into your trade, you are going to be able to manage your leverage, because leverage is the reason people make money in futures and leverage is the reason people lose money. So if you are using higher leverage, for example, you want to trade 20x at the moment. So if you want to trade 20x at the moment, at this point, what you are going to expose in trade here is 5%. That way, if you expose 5%, that way your trade will still have no liquidation price. But I don't trade higher leverage, so I'm trading 5x. So because I'm trading 5x, I'm going to expose 20% of my wallet balance. So while you drag your wallet balance, if you are not sure of the calculation, so you can monitor it here. So this is a percentage of what your wallet balance is or what you will be exposing into your margin. So I can 20%, that's okay. So here I'm able to see that 136 is a 20% of my entire margin here, my entire wallet balance. So once I'm good to go, I am using market order instead of limit order. So I will open this trade 20%. So I've taken a position for BNB. So this is the level of my risks, very safe. 2.449, and there is no zero liquidation price. My liquidation price is there. Isn't this amazing? So with this, regardless of any crash, if I'm longing, regardless of any crash, I'll be able to stay in the market until I recover from the losses. Once this entire margin gets into this place, it will extend to my wallet balance to sustain this trade for me. So when you manage your risks very well in futures, you can actually hold coin in futures like you're holding in sports. I mean, you can hold coins until you recover, just like we hold in sports during dip and wait for it to get to our get to above our entry point. So this way, you're able to manage your be able to trade futures at a very maybe with peace of mind. So learning how to manage your risk is very important. Find Take note, you must ensure that you don't over leverage your trade by putting more than the percentage you should expose in trade. Higher leverage, lower margin. Sorry, higher leverage, If you are trading on higher leverage, you're going to trade on higher margin. But the secret of futures, lower leverage. You're going to make your leverage lower. That's the secret of futures. Lower leverage, higher margin. Higher margin, higher leverage. But better still, maintain lower leverage, higher margin. So don't overwhelm your trade. Don't overwhelm your wallet balance. Rather, trade safely. So trade safely, like I said, instead of you to overwhelm your margin, overwhelm your wallet balance, let your wallet balance always have higher fund to save your trade. So that way, you don't need to trade stop loss. Whenever I'm trading cross margin, I don't trade stop loss. I can decide to close this trade whenever I'm okay to exit the market. I don't mean on profit. I mean, if this trade goes against me, I can decide to close. I'm no longer closing out of fear of liquidation because I know I won't be liquidated. I didn't set my take profit. All of these things we've treated in our previous video. I can decide to set my take profit anytime. So I hope this video is able to walk us through on how to trade without liquidation price in futures. So I would encourage us to stay safe while trading futures, learn to manage your risks very well. That way you won't be liquidated. For me, I'm just going to honestly say, ever since I started trading futures, I've only been liquidated once because I try to manage my risks very well. I'm a conserved trader. I trade conservatively rather than trading with greed to make more higher profit and lose everything. I take my time to run my trade. So stay safe while trading futures, and like I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will get notified whenever I upload my tutorial video. Thank you.